Are you cold?
Just a wee bit. But I love it. I love it so much.
It's like a rattlesnake.
So, what waterfall are we hiking over to?
I don't remember the name.
Yes, you do.
Falls?
Crabtree Falls.
Oh, you said Crabtree Falls. That's what it was. I remember now. Definitely a sight to behold. I miss you, Mama. This is for you. I'll take videos and pictures at the waterfall. Love you. It's a very expensive camera you got there. It's up on the tree. There you go. Finally made it to the only fall in the trail, but yeah, we went further down the trail down there, but there really ain't nothing to it. I guess this is the only place for the falls. Pretty though. What do you think?
We are currently hiking back up on this sketchy trail, but having fun. I'm all wet because I went under the waterfall, like behind it. It was super cold, but it feels really good. And I'm already out of breath. What about you, Devin?
Good. Can't hear anything right now, but
funny story. That waterfall that we went to was supposed to be Crabtree Falls.
that was the previous waterfall, but it was not the Crabtree Falls.
That was a completely different place. And I think it was called Looking Glass Falls. And so we're like, okay, well, we saw waterfalls, so we're happy, so let's just go back to the cabin. On our way to the cabin, we see a sign that says Crabtree Falls this way. So now we're gonna be hiking that. Right, Devin?
Yep. My feet don't feel any better.
Yeah, our feet are so sore. I am in no way in shape for this, but we're doing it. I forgot to count the steps.
That's right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So that waterfall was absolutely gorgeous. What did you think, Evan?
It was like 20 times better than the one that we went to.
Yeah, that was so funny.
Very pretty.
We are now going to go get some dinner. Not looking forward to this hike up though, but it was well worth it.
I honestly think this hike is better than the last one though.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, because we went like off the beaten path a little bit, like towards like a different hike that was like separate from the waterfall that was not a part of it. So this one will be easier going back, I believe. So.
Yeah, the last hike to the other waterfall was brutal. And I think it's because we kind of did get lost. But this hike to Crabtree on the way back, it's pretty steep, but it's a lot shorter. So
just bear in mind though, it is a little bit more treacherous because there's a lot of rocks and a lot of like roots that you come across. For instance, like look at all these rocks that we have to go through. So if you ever do decide to come North Carolina to Crabtree Falls, just bear in mind this is a kind of a treacherous walk. So be prepared and obviously watch your footing, because definitely is a beautiful waterfall to get to, so it's worth the risk in my opinion. If it is, there's really no risk to it at all. Just as I said before, make sure you're keep in mind that there is a lot of rocks and roots here. So yeah.